Hi, today I will show you how to change the AirPods on your headphones. This is what couple of years old AirPods look like. Of course, if you want to change the AirPods, you will have to buy new replacements. Take scissors and remove the old AirPods. I am warning you early on that removing the pod is a lot easier than putting them back on. This is what the AirPods look like when compared to each other. You have to hook the AirPods sides on the little plastic mounts. There are 12 hooks in total. As I already mentioned earlier, this will be a lot more time consuming than removing the AirPods. Enjoy background music and watch how I put it on. This is what they should look like when you are done. Looks new and fresh. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment.